Just arrived at Hoi An in Vietnam, guys. Just 1 hour drive from my place. And this is 300 years old bridge, Japanese bridge made by the Japanese people. Looks pretty impressive by night. This is like a very tourist place, definitely much more touristy when I'm staying in Da Nang. And you can even pass this bridge over here, which is really actually very nice. And it's even free attraction, you don't need to pay anything. And it's wooden bridge, by the way, very nice indeed. And there is super beautiful view of the river. Check this out, this shop, how cool is this? This is 100% Vietnamese stuff with this lampions, exactly lantern. Very nice and very beautiful. This is like a walking street in Hoi An, like a 30 kilometers, 28 kilometers from the Da Nang where I used to stay, popular for the restaurants by the river, boats cruising around, and there is also so much light on the other sides of the street. And this is one of the most characteristic things what to do in Hoi An, in middle of Vietnam, central Vietnam. They are like romantic boats cruising around the river with the lanterns. And of course so many merchandise, bags, magnets, any kind of merchandise on this street. Seems like also so many vendors are still closed. Yeah. How much is the boat?
How many people?
Only one person.
Only one people, yeah.
How much? Okay, I asked the guy how much is it. Here you have also many pictures.
One person?
Yeah, one person, only me, yeah. 150,000 dongs,
And
yeah.
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
20.
20?
minutes,
All right.
yes, and inside about one and take a photo.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the guy was so, this is actually so,
Thank you so much.
yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, I'm on the boat eventually with this guy behind me. I gotta show you around. He charged me only 60,000 because I didn't want it I just didn't want it to go because I feel not really comfortable. But he insisted me just 60, just please. Here you go. I gonna show you. This is for you guys, exclusively for you. But the feeling is that lucky as I have a jacket. I have to say it's actually really beautiful. So many people swimming around, cruising around. He gonna give me something. Yes, thank you. And yeah, he's just standing peacefully. Beautiful city by night. Very interesting experience. What to do here. Highly recommended. There are some other people. This is probably the best experience for making pictures, for sure. I think I should put this one on the water. Some people did like this over here. So peaceful vibe, that's for sure. Perfect for the pictures. I'm gonna do it. I don't know what actually that's mean. I should read about that. Maybe I should make a wish or something like that. Okay, I put this. Okay, and it's on the water. And this is the bridge where I'm gonna go very soon. Also, one of the most characteristic places in Hoi An. The city center of the Hoi An is actually very beautiful and so much things to do over here. And that's it. My tour is over. But was worth it, really worth it. Lucky as he really convinced me to do this, guys. Okay, I have to say, that was cool. You have to do it, guys. Even if you're afraid, you have to do it, guys. It's just so cool. Very interesting place in Vietnam. And I'm so happy as I can experience that today by myself. Definitely great place to make pictures, that's for sure. And just let's see what is on the other side of the street. Already, thank you. This must be the biggest attraction in this city, of course. And this is the name of the bridge if you're interested. And yeah, so cool. Hi, Sayang. I'm in Vietnam, Sayang. Next time you are here with me, yeah? But look how beautiful is this.
Wow, and look at the people around.
Exactly. So busy, Sayang. So busy.
Look at the beautiful colors.
Crowd is just unbelievable. Just on the one bridge, actually. So cool. I think I already mentioned that. Let's go into this direction now. Hello? Thank you. Oh, like this. She showed me, yeah. Okay. Oh, like this you put. Here we go. Bye bye. Okay. Thank you. On the other side of the street, you have a very nice looking cafes and restaurant with this very Vietnamese style, actually. So definitely similar like to Bali. Wherever you're gonna go will be a little bit different vibe and little bit different style. And this is exactly here. Da Nang, Hoi An, they are directions were highly recommended to come to visit. I stay in Da Nang, but actually I think this one is more tourist place, and if you are tourist holidaying tourist, it will be better for you if you stay there. I mean here, but yeah, I just here 2 days. Tomorrow I'm going to Hanoi. Look at this actually bar, restaurant with the live music. So cool. Actually very cool. So cool. Great place to be. That's for sure. And this is my favorite thing. I really wish one day I'm gonna buy stuff like this one. This lampions is definitely I should buy one day, but I cannot right now. I don't even know how to transport it. But however, recording this is so cool. People making pictures. Seems like a really great place to be with the live music, dancing. Very romantic place, I could say at the same time. They're selling the po. Of course, po is traditional food in Vietnam. Po and buns. And it's so nice to be here. By the way, look at this crowd, guys. Okay, I've been a while when I was in Bali, like already 2 weeks almost. But I don't know, let me know if Bali is as busy as is right now in Vietnam or still not, because this one looks really cool and really busy for me, guys. Another photogenic place, Instagrammable place with the lampions, lanterns, I think it's called lanterns here. And yeah, pretty cool, people making pictures. So let's have a now look into the bazaar. There is some market over here as well. Right, and next to the lanterns, some sort of sausage crepes, Hoi An, many other YouTubers, vloggers, ice creams, loud music, accessories, more lights everywhere around. And oh, here is the actually place without the people. Maybe I can make a shot finally without the people. I mean, it's like so nice, actually so beautiful. The lady is coming out. I have no idea what is it, but I saw already once, and it looks like this. Oh, hello, hello. Let's check this out. This food. Have no idea. We don't really speak English, unfortunately, on our things. Actually, this bar skewers looks really nice. This lady wants me to buy a drink. Yes. Okay. I take a cola. I take a Pepsi. No, I take a cola. Okay. How much?
Yeah, one tea.
How much?
One tea.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, bye bye. Yeah, let's explore more. I have already Coke, that's good. Prettiest, I cannot find out what is this food because even it's very tourist places, many people don't speak English, unfortunately. Have a look at this, over. This is like a kind of seafood things. Looks nice. This is like so many. Oh. Alright, let's have a look. Some sort of Vietnamese pizza style, like, and other things. Very interesting. And the bazaars I saw already in yesterday, similar bazaar as well.
No, let me tell you.
Some foreigners.
They bullshit here. They do bullshit down there. I get for 90 down there. They start 180. They start 180. I get for 90.
Negotiating skills. This is good negotiating skill. I like.
Video.
Yeah, video, yo.
Right, man.
No bullshit, my friend.
Free, okay?
Looking only for free, but
The pride just rocks right from the heaven now.
exactly, exactly. But I'm just looking, okay? I didn't say that I'm buying
Hey,
anything,
if something
okay?
you like, you buy.
All right.
If something you don't want it, smiling free to go.
Okay, thank you. Let's
My
have a
store
look.
now, it's your store. You do whatever you want.
Okay, I sell ore, yeah? You are
Okay,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Very nice stuff, by the
Yes,
way.
we got many nice stuff. Incense, Happy Buddha, incense there.
Yeah, that's incense,
And
incense,
many ring, bracelet, everything.
bracelet, heavy drink.
Yes. That's one incense. We got sterling silver as well, man.
All right. Looks cool.
The price just drops straight from the heaven now.
All right. You put inside, yeah?
Yes, put inside that.
And then?
Then the corn
All right.
comes slowly with the hand, man.
Oh, that's cool.
See?
Cool stuff.
Yes.
I make you famous now because you're on YouTube, okay?
Famous now. Already
So
famous,
cool.
Yes.
Okay, God bless you, yeah?
Store 33, man.
Mr. Mike.
Yes, we are.
Number 33.
No
Looking for
BS
free.
price, yes.
Looking for free.
Look
Okay.
here, for free,
Okay. Take care.
No bullshit price, okay?
No bullshit.
Maybe have a look, have a look.
Oh, this is okay. I'm still doing business. Oh, this is his daughter. So
Yes.
beautiful girl.
Thank you. Hello.
You're welcome. How old she is? How old she is? Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Yes, it's my daughter.
Okay, brother. So how much for this one?
This one for 80, now we do you 70.
All right, we're gonna do 50 and and deal, yeah? Because I look already for free, all right?
Okay. Yeah. I'm easy, man.
Easy, okay.
Easy sell, easy buy, okay?
Easy, sir, easy, buy. Okay, this is for my wife. I hope so you like it, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Please have a look, guys. My friend. Looking is free, but it's nice always to support.
Yes,
Thank you so
thank
much,
you.
brother. Thank you.
Yes.
Which one? Where's my stuff?
That one?
I bought, but I don't know which one. Okay, looks beautiful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hello.
All right. Bye bye. Okay, I take it. What does that mean again?
Lucky long life.
Lucky long life.
Yes, longevity, longevity.
Okay,
That's
perfect.
happiness.
Perfect. Thank you so much, my friend.
So you do YouTuber or what?
YouTube, yeah?
Yes. I'm very famous in YouTuber now.
Very famous. Okay, good luck, my friend.
Okay,
Thank you. All right, guys. Sayang, this is for you. I hope so you like it. However, I will use it for a while because so hot in Vietnam, guys. That's unbelievable. Most of you guys, my viewers, are coming from, obviously, from interested about the Bali. But by watching you all of this stuff over here in Vietnam in the few days, let me know, you still prefer Bali over the Vietnam, or you will be considering Vietnam right now, or maybe Singapore? Let me know, guys. Meanwhile, I really love it here, to be honest. But of course, I'm coming back to Bali soon. All right, dinner time. I decided to choose this lovely, beautiful restaurant with the live music. I'm gonna show you around also the menu and stuff. Maybe you are interested whenever you come. It's just facing the bridge. Madame Kyo. This is the Vietnamese restaurant overlooking the night market and Japanese bridge. This restaurant serves variety of traditional Vietnamese cuisines to all tastes. So much beautiful stuff in the restaurant. a lot of lovely stuff, I have to say, but I'm gonna choose this one. This is specialty from Hoi An. It's called Chao Lao. This is the price. This is the description, and this shirt looks like this. Here we go, Vietnamese coffee with milk, ice, and some local Saigon rose beer, Vietnamese fruit one, probably for ladies. You know me, guys. Looks really nice, actually. All right, here we go. My food arrived. Looks really nice. My drinks, coffee with the beer. And ambience everywhere around. You can feel the real vibe of the Vietnam. Hoi An, guys. And this is a special dish what you can find only in Hoi An, an authentic dish. So I'm gonna try. This is the chicken. Tastes very nice, and also the noodles. It's like a different kind of the po actually, but without the soup. And the noodle is very thick, very nice. I wanna try. I'm gonna show you with the lights on how does it look like. That's the noodle, that's the chicken. Also the place have a very nice atmosphere here. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. This is like a sitting area. There's a little bit bar situation for everyone who wanna drink in Vietnam. This will be for you. This is the nice mural with the name. Here we go. Here we go. And if you don't wanna walk around, you can just chill here and enjoy. Really nice place. All right, guys. Really enjoy the food. Really enjoy the vibe. Hello. It's really so cool to be here. Looking for the guy who sold me this one because I want to buy one for my mama. I wonder if he still remember me. Here we go. Hello, my friend. Do you still remember me?
Video.
Again.
Yeah.
I want one.
YouTuber.
Yes. One more for my mama, okay?
Why not? Huh?
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, I choose. Yeah.
You can.
Yes, sure.
Yes. One more video.
Thank you so much, brother.
YouTuber.
Good luck. Take care.
Thank you very much, brother.
You're welcome.
If you take anything, we'll come back.
Hello. Bye. I love this place, guys. I really love it. And also this fancy looking buggies in Vietnam. I saw them already in this part of the Vietnam, so many. I also realized in every city I am, maybe except Da Nang, there are some live performances and they're making video clips. I think they are really love music here in Vietnam. Going home, Vietnam by night. Driver have a nice Fortuner. He know Robert Lewandowski from Poland. That's good. Let's go. It's going to be late little bit. It's already like 10 o'clock and I have 30 kilometers to back to the hotel. It's very hot here. Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Hoi An. That is so amazing. I really love it. Tomorrow I'm taking a train and I'm going to Hanoi. That's gonna be 18-hour trip. I hope so you will enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow. And well, thank you so much for watching and let me know in the comment section what do you think, guys, about the Vietnam. They really have a nice taxis here in Vietnam, really. All right. Sleep time.